feel like I am late. It's 12:18. My class is 12. I 1 p.m. So tired.
Guys, we are done with our open forum.
Crying game.
Crying game.
Paramihan ng luha.
Paramihan ng luha. Pero hindi ako naluha.
Kasi heartless siya.
Papatawa lang tayo.
Ang comedian sa room. Dangan si Bernie. Oh, may butong.
Ito, nasimda. So yes guys, we are going to our night class. Guys, look so haggard. I don't have time to prepare my face. We're going home, guys. We are going home. We are done with our exam and we passed. Bakit kami nakapasa, guys? Wala ka makita kasi wala. Look at that. It's 6 p.m. Take note. Si camera shy.
Ano mo? Ibig na mapalong tayo.
Turudu! Dali! Turu! After mag-exam. Ela, score reveal. Look so haggard because we are so haggard. It's 6:50 guys. One exam to go. And matatapos na namin ang aming midterm.
Matayang karaot ng surat ka.
Bye. See you tomorrow, guys. This is our camp. Hi, guys. On the way to the university again, as usual. I'm going to attend law subject, media law. And this is the feed. the same lang. Wala ibang masuot kasi tinatamad ako maghanap. As in, gusto ko lang palagi naka-uniform kasi tinatamad ako ng sapatos tapos ganap ng susuotin. So yeah. Bye! Arrive in our I have a class until 8 p.m. guys. So need energy. Pero maubos na energy ko sa hagdan pa lang. Walang ito. I-update you later. Guys, may dumaan, ha? But do you want to see my view, guys? This is my view, guys. Guys, guess what? Nauna ako. Walang tao. Wala pa yung mga classmate ko. So, ayun. Isa na naman tayo, guys. Isa na naman. Sabi, sobrang init ang ano lang pawis. Wala akong dalang tissue. So this is the background. Nakasuot lang ako ng casual, ano kasi yung uniform ko labahan. Guys, kailangan ko talaga ng tissue. I'm sweating so hard and palaging ganyan, di ko alam. Loading na naman tayo. Hindi ko naman alam gagawin ko. Basta, gusto ko magpakulay ng hair. Gabi ang napakarandom. Basta lang may masabi. Pero gusto ko talaga magpakulay ng hair. I think I look good in blue color. Sana walang pasapon. Pero kung masapot tapos saro. Magre-react sa iya. Dua. in